and I run this thing called New Deal for Buildings. And you may say, what is that? And the mission was really to try and sort of figure out sort of issues that is sort of technology and sort of address them. We have a blog at newdeal.blog, and we do leadership kind of trying to figure out how to break down these barriers. So that's kind of the mission. It's a kind of a loosey-goosey, kind of trying to define what smart building tech in Chicago, and leading up to AHR in Atlanta, and that's cybersecurity. And we got a pretty good turnout, even at 7. This is the second one, and this summit could not have taken place without the support of the sponsors, KMC Controls, and those 6 companies were with us last year, and then we have 3 that we have this year. So welcome them in our head table for the speakers to the company, and sort of we can start this at the individual, the faces much.
KMC Controls, obviously. My job is a very important part of what we've been going on, and people trying to. So we're just.
Thanks for the BACnet IT working.
I've been involved in the BACnet standard. We need a couple of BACnet standard. And as you say, we think that it'll be an important technology in order to secure the building automation systems.
So today I'm doing cybersecurity risk in control systems. I headed up Tritium back to trying to help this industry catch up.
Robert Hammerdinger. I'm with Delta Controls, the Chief Sales and Marketing. I think for the customers. So we have to go and fix that, to go and solve that. That's what.
Hi, I'm Jim Lee. I'm president of Symmetrics, also co-founder, the largest supplier of communication software with BACnet to the controls industry, to OEMs. We have about a minute of the new IT security tech.
Thank you, Jim. Carol?
Security, adding features, products, and again, we see this as a really good whenever.
As they trying to figure out what's next, how to start. But I can tell you, from a box perspective, 17, 18 years, and now I have the fun. Good morning. My name is Hunter Schweitzer.
We welcome you.
We are doing solutions have always been very important topics since years. Whatever we
need building cyber solutions. Most passionate about securing our products of trying to achieve that, and we'll write white papers, and we'll build some things into our products that get from today is kind of some feedback on what would help this community, and so I'll be listening.
Cybersecurity in our industry, so you should consider yourself lucky to be here. This is a summit that they're the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, version 1.1. I was not sure what to make of it, really dry and boring. It's just not my cup of tea. It actually makes a lot of sense, an enormous amount of sense. It does a great job to actually how you identify the pieces that you actually need to secure. There is an incident, which obviously we want to prevent, but so it's kind of a story, right? So this group, that really we want to use this as a basic journey of what cybersecurity is all about. Technology building just be impacted in 1 or 2 of the shift between our perspective, your perspective, and over the past of articles that are about the framework of the different functions. So it's actually this, and also to point. And believe it or not, the agenda is exactly the same as the NIST framework. And we bookend that with a picture of what this means to us and how to interpret and at the end, after going through the framework, we'll have. So the format of this, I also realized that 3.5 hours. So if you feel that you need to get up and have refreshment, there's still quite a bit of breakfast and coffee and tea. Just go and do it, the sort of proceedings. We're trying to stream this to YouTube, and I'm not quite sure whether we are or not we are. Okay, so hello YouTube. We're saying we really want your input. So this is not a presentation by this group, this is a discussion between these groups. Your question or comments or whatever, try and be as succinct as possible, and you can have a really good dialogue. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Jim Lee.